In today's lesson, we're going to be calling this 1A. We're going to be talking about exponents. And I've got a few vocab terms that I want you to know. I'm not going to make you write out the definition, so I just want you to listen and follow along here as I go. So factors, the first vocab word that we have here is factors. Factors are a number multiplied by another number to get a product. So, for example, if I do 8 times 8 equals 64, the factors are 8 and 8. Those are the two numbers that we're multiplying together. The next vocabulary term that I want you to know is product. A product is the result when two or more numbers are multiplied. So in that same example, 8 times 8 equals 64, the product was 64 because that's the result or the answer that you get when two are multiplied. Then we've got power. Power is the number produced by raising a base to an exponent. So when we talk about power, so we're going to be talking about that here on this next example here. Power is like our answer. When we get an exponent, it's the final answer. Here's where I'm going to need you to start writing. A base. A base is when the number is raised to an exponent. The number that is used as the factor, so here's that factor word, it matches this factor word up here, is the base. And the base is always our big number. And so right here, I want you to label this exponent right here. The 5 is our base. I always remember that because B for base, B for big. The big number is our base. So in this case, the base is 5. If you're listening to me, I just want you to put a number 5 out to the side of this definition just so that I know that you're listening. I'm not going to write it on my paper, but I want you to write it on your paper. Next to the word base, put 5. And then exponent. An exponent is the smaller number that indicates how many times the base is used as a factor. So in this case, the 4 is my exponent. So I want you to label it here. The 4 is my exponent. And I also, if you're listening still, I want you to put a little 4 next to the definition for exponent. So out to the side here, just put a number 4 so that I know you're listening to me. So we've got our base is 5, our exponent is 4. In this case, what we're saying is, with exponents, that we're going to multiply 5 by itself 4 times. So we're going to do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. We're going to multiply 5 by itself 4 times. And to save us some time, I've already got this calculated. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. So our power, or our answer, is then 625. So we've got 5 vocab terms: factors, product, power, base, and exponent that I want you to hear and know. And then when you open up to the inside, this is what the next video is going to start. The next video is going to start right here.